how to send voice messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send voice messages to your friends on Messenger. Let's dive right in. Open up your Messenger and head over to the chat where you want to send the voice message. Then you can see the microphone like icon. You just need to tap on it, and now you can speak whatever. You can even pause in between. Or if you don't like it, you can just tap on the trash icon and delete it. And you can record it again by tapping on the mic. And once you're done recording, you just need to hit the send option, that is the arrow option. And there you go. Your message will be sent. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.